Parkas on our backs, we count our hours and clock out. The sun falls asleep.
Come on this way.
Our forest guide takes us all to the frozen lake. With frigid fingers, I pass my brother the flask and him to others. Our guide perks a brow. Like the water beneath us, we stiffen.
You hear? Do you hear them now? They who greet us here tonight. The stars, hear them sing.
One star is drumming. Another sings an opera screeching from above. Many friends vanish, as would a well-made tourtière. Only crumbs remain. Hurry! My fiddle! Our hosts, they're losing face. My bow is trembling. My notes fly high up, melting into pinks and greens. A stellar mosaic. Below, a snowy jig. Two young wolves with wooden spoons join till the wee hours. In the astral glow, the guide looks at me and smiles.
I'll be on my way.